Hi guys, welcome to Tech Geek. So I'm back with your question. That's maximum units on a truck, and that's a lead code daily question. So I guess that's the easy one, quite easy if you know about the problems. Like you can say a greedy approach actually. So if you know how to do it, so you can easily do it. Before beginning with this, I just like to request you all to please like share and subscribe to my channel. If you need any help with any interview process, do let me know. I am having a sheet for preparation, interview preparation. Basically, I have shared for few companies. That's shared in the description too, the link towards that video and the sheet. I'm working on more companies. If you have any company pinpointed that you want me to do that, basically I'm creating for Amazon right now, and that process requires a lot because I have to research a lot, talk to many people who have interviewed. So that's how I create a particular sheet that contains all the recent interview questions. So apart from that, if you require any help from my end, please let me know. So let's get back to the question now. The question says we need you are assigned to put some amount of boxes onto one track, and these boxes have been given in a 2D array. So the 2D array consists of number of boxes and the number of units per box. So number of box and how many units are there inside a box, that's given. You are given a truck size, that's the maximum size it can withhold. And you have to check how you can choose an box to the truck such as we maximize the number of boxes and this number of boxes do not exceed the truck size. To return the maximum number of maximum number of units, not the boxes, a maximum number of units that can be put together onto the truck. So that's what we have been given. Now comes to the thing what and how we'll be doing and how it is going. So you need to see that you have an array or you can say a list where you have number of box and units per box, number of box and unit per box, and there's a size that not more than 4 boxes could be there, right? So that's what we need to do. Now let me take this example first. We have 1 3 2 2 and 1 boxes of 3 1 and then 4 is the total. Okay, 3 1 and 4 is the total truck size. Okay. What we need to do is we need to find how many is the maximum units that we could know. What we need to do is the very first thing. Okay, we will sort the box types in descending order. Now descending order, we have two things now, according to which we need to sort according to the number of units per box. Why? Because we need to maximize the units here. So what we'll do, we'll sort. I guess it's already sorted. If you see, let's 3 to 1, right? If in case it wasn't, we'll sort it. So very first thing is to sort according to the number of boxes. Okay. Then we will iterate. We'll traverse the array and we'll check that how many boxes are there and how many can be added, and we'll check like is that particular unit of box to be added. Okay, how is it possible? So let's see this particular situation. First is 3, so it would be 1 into 3. Okay, when box 1 box is added, it gives us 3 units. Okay, and from the total number of units we subtract the number of units added. Remaining unit is 3 now. Okay, now we come to the second one, 2. If we add 2 and each of the box contains 2, so total added is 4. Subtract the remaining, that's 2. That's what we got. So 2 into 2 4, right? Now we'll check, is the capacity 0? No, it's still not 0. Again we'll check for the 1. Now this we have 3. So 3 into 1 is 3, but to be precise what we need to check is if we add this 3, then we have just one remaining here. Excuse me. So is it valid? No, that's not valid because that's not what the question is asking us to. Because we have to give the maximized number such that. So in this case, the maximum number that could be 1 plus 2, that's 3. Okay. But the box type, the output should be, oh sorry, the number of units that we have to give is 8, right? Just let me check with the truck size. Is it 4? Yeah. So truck size initially, as we see, is 1 and 2, that's 3. Still one box could be added more. Now again, this is not an optimized solution. You can see here we're getting just 7. Let's see how we can do it, right? What could be the other way we could approach this problem? Now, this was just a basic inclination, you could say. I'll just clear this and again begin up with the same. So now let's go up with the approach that is given to us. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 3, 1. Okay. So this is number of box, this is the box, that's the units per box. Okay. Very first thing, sort it such that with the first. Okay, we did that. Now we have an answer that's 0. Okay, we have one answer that's 0 for now. We have an answer variable. Now for every b or every particular, you can say, box type, we are iterating the array and taking out the count as minimum. Okay, minimum of truck size and the box. So we'll begin from here. 1 and 4, what is smaller? 1. So answer, we'll add this up, that is whatever this value is multiplied by this. Okay, so 1 into 3. So answer now contains 3. Okay, the same thing. In the truck size, we'll decrement the count. So count was 1, so decremented to 3. Is t 0? That's the truck size 0? No. Again come back, check for the same thing. Okay, now we have this and this count of this 2 and 3, which is obviously 2, that's smaller. 2 into the value, that's 2 into 2, 4. Okay, plus 4. Okay, we did this. Decrement the count, decremented the count, sorry, decremented the count by 2. It's 1. Again came up, that's 3 and that is 1. So obviously we'll take 1. Count is 1 and again we'll check. Is it possible to take this number of boxes 3? Per unit is 1, right? But we won't take all boxes. Why? Because we'll take just one. So count into this value. So this is 1. Now we chose the smaller count, that was 1, but the weight is chosen this. So we'll add this. So the maximum output we could get is 8. And return this. Now check. Again this subtracted. Is it 0? Yes. If it's not 0, then again go up. So in this way we are doing. So what would be the okay, let's talk the time complexity after looking at the solution first. So again we did the same thing according to the first, that's the size. We incremented it, negative, it's in decrementing order. Then we'll check for the size, the struct size greater than 0. We'll iterate with for all the boxes, find out the maximum, add it to it and subtract from the truck size and check. Okay, truck size is greater than 0, can check here itself or having an if statement here. Talking about the complexities of this particular solution, so as you can see, we are comparing or we are actually sorting this. So it will go with n log, order of n log. That's the time complexity. No extra spaces are being used, that is it's a fixed value, so we'll be using at order of 1. So I guess this question is clear. If in case there was any doubt with the solution or any particular thing that you think is not right, then please let me know in the solution in the comment box. If you feel there are some better solutions for this question, then do please come up with your ideas. Anything that you feel is better to do, you can. There could be a solution with the order of n too if you try it. That's keeping of the frequency using arrays. That would be an easy approach too. So you can give that too as a trial. It would be better if you try it on your own, and if there's anything you want me to know or help you out with, then please let me know. Thank you so much. Keep following.